Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the number 3 from Number Lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes. Let's start near the top in the center and let's draw a curve down. Then from the top, let's curve it over to the right. Bring it down at the end. And then close off the bottom. Now let's move inside the eye. Let's start on the left and let's draw an angled line up and over. And now underneath this line on the left side, let's draw 2 points coming down to a curved V shape. And then color this part in black. Now let's draw the next eye behind on top on the left. Let's start on top of the eye and let's draw a line up and then curve it out. Now from the end, let's bring it down and then curve it back into the other eye. Now let's move inside and let's start on the top left and let's draw an angled line down to the right. And then underneath on the left, let's draw another curved V shape. And color this in black as well. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's start drawing the shape of the body. Let's start next to the eyes on the left and let's draw a line out. And then from the end, let's curve it up. Now from the top, let's curve it down, loop it around, and then one more loop up. And then curve it back down and over at the end. Now from the end of the line, let's continue it all the way over to the right side. And then curve it down and in next to the right eye. Now underneath this line, let's step in and let's draw another curve down like this. Now let's hop back over to the left underneath the left eye and let's draw a curve down. Then let's curve it up and over. Now to finish off the bottom of the body, let's continue it by curving it over and slightly up. And let's do the same thing underneath from the other line. And now let's connect the 2 lines at the end with a curve. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move in and let's add the details. Underneath at the top, let's draw 2 bumps for the teeth. And then 1 bump on the bottom left here. And lastly, let's move inside and let's draw a curve for the tongue. And that's it for the number 3. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!